So welcome back one more time as we're gonna talk about the continuation of this video. Yeah, this is your main man from the Forex Strategy Factory, man. I hope you pumping up. All right. Now we're gonna talk again about this the aspect where we stopped last week. If you remember, we're talking about a lot of things last week. When we drew this line about the trend is going up, when I told you the first thing you're going to identify is the trend. Okay? And we drew this one about the second line when the trend separated from the first big trend line. All right? Now, I want to tell you, I want to draw for you a kind of image that you're going to imagine or you're going to put into your eyeball memory to identify the trend and know the next level, the kind of image of the price. I want to draw it now. Okay? I hope you're pumping up, man. Let's go. Next time we buy a good bud. This bud is not good for me now, you know. Now, I want to show you the type of image. Let's say this is your trend line. All right? This is your trend line. Okay? Imagine that this is your big trend line going up. And you will always imagine that, okay, the price will get to the next trend line. The price will get to the next trend line by separating from the previous one. You know, on and on, it continues like that. And it continues like that. This is the image of the movement of the price. If I have to do things like I have to draw it for you the way it looks. This is the way it looks. The price has dropped, all right? Touching this where you buy, and then it has gone up, all right? Climbing this one, okay? Okay, separating from the bottom, all right? Separating from the bottom, okay? What's gonna do is gonna climb this one and keep going, all right? Doing these things, breaking the tops. All right, after doing all those things, it will separate and start doing this one, and it keeps going and going on your chart until it gets to its, let's say, you know, yeah, let's say till it gets to the highest high the price ever got. This is the highest high the price ever got. And what's it going to be doing right here? Now, in this point, I think it's going to be doing something that looks like this, that it cannot even break it anymore. Then it's going to be dropping. Okay? This is the uptrend, and this is the way a downtrend will start. This one. The way a downtrend will start. Let me draw it for you, so you will know exactly how a trend always change. What is it? What change a trend? How does a trend change? I'm gonna show you how a trend will change. Look at this is the highest high ever done by the price, and then let's say, based on the imagination of the lines I told you about, imagination of the lines I told you about. Okay, let us say, okay, let's say we're gonna do this big line. Let's say this is the big line. Okay, imagination of what I told you about. The price, I've done all these things. Okay. Has done all these things, gone up. Then how do we know this price is gonna start going down?